It's World Migratory Birds Day 2021 and we're on a journey. Have a look. That's a 2021 World Migratory Birds Day t-shirt. Matt the Bowser. It's going to be an epic journey. We have Kate with us today. We're going to be picking up Karen. We're going to be picking up Kendon. Wait, you're going to love this. Yep. We're out here at Passages Beach. Yeah, this salt pond used to be a migratory bird site, but let's see what the beach has to offer. Oh, there's a belted kingfisher. It was a pretty quiet morning at Passages, but here you can see a pair of spotted sandpiper. Notice one still have its breeding plume spots, while the other is completely white on the belly. We normally get the non-breeding form of spotted sandpipers here, but it's one of the most common shorebirds you can find in Grenada throughout the year, but they do increase in numbers during the migratory season. You can see this is paradise. Grapes are just falling from the trees. There's some more shorebirds right there. If you like shorebirds, you're gonna love this video. Okay, so we have a black neck stilt. Amidst the construction at the Passages pond, this stilt is there. You can see the very long stilt-like legs, which is pink, and the black neck with the grayish black back and a white underbelly. Unfortunately, it's very far away, so it's hard to give you good footage without stabilization. Yeah, so we have some greater yellow legs, little blue heron. There's a stilt sandpiper in the back. Let me see if I can get a closer look. There he is. They always forage with this stabbing movement. Greater yellow leg in the back. There's a yellow leg in the front. Little blue heron. And in the background you can still see that black neck stilt. There was some banana quits, even the sea grapes. Okay, so we planned to hit up a few specific spots, and this beach, Longwall in Grenville, actually is really good for shorebirds during the migratory season. And look here, this is where I had a lifer, and it was Kate lifer as well. They're Hudsonian Godwits. Just have a look, eh? You can see that long upturned bill. There is a banded one. We're gonna get the information. This one is banded. So we can see the Godwits feeding. So remember, this site is on the side of the main road, so you'll hear some interesting noises. But it was a really good assortment of shorebirds we had. Four. Hello.
Four.
Huh?
4 sharp-billed dowagers. 2 spotted sandpiper, 1 greater yellowleg, 11 lesser yellowleg, 10 broiled tern, 3 great kingbirds, 1 tropical mockingbird, 1 banana. One more broiled tern.
Telescope is one of our favorite boarding sites. There is seasonal, well, the grass is always there, but in the rainy season it becomes a swamp and it goes into the mangrove. Now you see we're gearing up for the rain. At any given time, if the rain is coming, this place will be flooded out. But it's always good birds there, good wobblers, good showbirds sometimes. Definitely herons and egrets. Yeah, but Kate did well spotting this glossy ibis. I was still putting on my shoes, and she said, "What's that over there?" I had seen a few of them by the airport a few years back, but it was my first time photographing one here in Grenada, and it was Kate's first time seeing this species. Telescope always gives us a good surprise. So we have a glossy ibis, but it's pretty shy, so we have to stay a distance. This is now a telescope. In case you're wondering why I was all decked out and camouflaged, I knew that to get good footage of some of these birds I had to blend into the habitat. So here's a few safety tips for boarding a telescope. If the water is so high at this level, you cannot get on the interior. It's flooded out, it was raining all day. Normally we have southern lapwings that hang out just around here, but the water level was too high, so we could have only seen what was in that vicinity. There is a large open lake in the middle, which normally have ducks and teals. So we'll confirm this later. This is acting more as a striated heron than a green heron. You can see that grey body, black cap. We will confirm this, but I think this is a striated heron. So we have a better look at the tricolor heron. You can see here. Wrist. Yes, you got him, eh? There were a couple of cattle egrets, some little blue heron, tricolored heron, even some smoothbill annies hanging around this spot. But unfortunately, we didn't get photos and videos of all. Here we have an adult mockingbird feeding a juvenile shiny cowbird. Shiny cowbirds are nest parasites. The mockingbird was just feeding it. I just had to come under this tree. Let me see how Kate will make it, eh? She didn't do too bad. We're gonna pick up Karam in a bit. We're going to Crowshoe Bay. I saw a red knot here in the past. Let's see if I'm lucky today. We have to trek through some the road is blocked, so I had to park the car and walk, eh? Ooh. We have some royal tones. So we have another Godwit at Crowshoe Bay. Another Godwit around today. And then we had Karam. 3KCBirding complete. What is he? What is he? You know what it was? A yellow leg? A what? A baby yellow leg? A lesser yellow leg? You see that big one watching now? You know what that one is? What? No, not by the cat lake. Look in front there. By that big stone and them there by the water. You don't see it?
I see it.
What do you think that is?
I think that is I recognize.
Are you recognize heron?
Maybe.
A little blue heron? You sure you're watching the same bird? Watch it there, that one there with the yellow leg. What bird do you feel like? You call out all the bird we see on the beach except the bird we watching. That's a greater yellow leg. You see it? Or he taller than the lesser? And he beak a little longer, but he had this nice long yellow legs. Alright. And you see the bill kind of look like he turn up? Yeah. He eating. You see which one? What color it is? You walk in there, look, he cleaning himself now. You see it now? What color it is?
Grey.
Grey?
Brown.
Grey or brown? Alright. Alright, boss. So we have an American golden plover. We're down at the airport now. But what I want you to see is this. Oh shucks, it flew away. It flew away. There goes a Wilson snipe. Oh boy. I think it landed to another Wilson snipe. Let's see. Oh, it landed next to a pectoral sandpiper and it disappeared in the grass. So the Wilson snipe, it has 3 bars on the back, you can see there. We don't want to disturb it too much. It's feeding again, so it's a bit more comfortable now. Next to it we have a pectoral sandpiper. It's resting. There's some yellow legs in the background. But yeah, the very elusive Wilson snipe. Just look at it, such a beautiful bird. So guys, there's some bobolinks right there. It's at a secret location. And I brought the guys to see it. So let's see if we get some video footage. If we don't, well, I'll just show you the photos I got yesterday. But hopefully we get some video footage. So we have the special grass with the bobolinks and the seeditas. There's a bobolink there. Yellow belly seeditas, black face casket. They're actually very quiet right now. See the yellow one? We have not seen, we've seen a couple of blue black grass squid, but no grassland yellowfinch as yet. Let's see how much zoom this thing have. See bobolink just landed? Bobolink on top of another one. We have a bobolink. Yeah. Beautiful bird.
Bigger than I thought.
See that striped head? The pale central stripe. It's amazing, eh?
Really?
It's a female yellow belly seed eater. Bobolink? Nice. There's another bobolink in the back there. Yeah, you can see how nice and yellow those yellow belly seed eaters are. There's a few bobolinks on the top end as well. Now they're changing. They're up there. So this one, oops, we're gonna lose focus. Sure. Yeah. We have the Whimbrels. Come closer. There is about 30 of them. Don't see any with bands. Basically looking through the trees. So we have more Whimbrels. There's a Wilson's plover between the Whimbrels. So many of them. Well, a Grenada flycatcher. It's not really good lighting. Volunteer better lighting board. We can hear Wilson plovers on the side. Yeah, we're getting tired now. Hope you guys liked it. Boarding with the 3KC boarding team. You see Ken and Cactus. Ken non-cactus, you maybe find something new. We have the kit. Famous finds today. She found the Glossy Ibis first. Yeah, she only get that one, of course. Karam was with us. Karam said he had a baby yellow bird, so we're gonna give him all the lesser yellow legs for the day. Yep. Let me see if we find anything else before the day is done, we'll put it in. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, eh? See loads of birds at Grenada and around the world. Like this video. Put your favorite bird in the comment. Cheers.